Shoulders back, high. Ask him to drop the nose. There you go. Roll with him, roll with him. Still coming a little. There you go. Get the rolling, get the rolling.
Is he dropping that shoulder? I can't see.
Something's kind of in my way.
No, he's doing pretty good on that shoulder.
Yeah, I mean, compared to what he used to do in this section.
Yeah, okay. Left, right on the reins. Left, right on the reins. Ask him to animate. Good. Roll, roll, roll. Shoulders back. Up, body up. Leaning forward again. Good. Try not to move your abdomen so much. Try to hold your abdomen and roll your hips. Good. Back, sit back, and let those hips move and not just there. Very good. Very good. Roll your shoulders back. Concaving your chest again. There you go. Good.
Hey, come on.
Is he getting tired?
Yeah, he's getting tired. But it's good for him. He needs to get a little bit tired. Very good. Roll the hips. Keep the abdomen slow. Shoulders up. Shoulders back. Good. Let's call it quits at that.